My Journey to Becoming an Australian, RN Part 1.
Ako di ay si Michelle, Filipino nurse living in Australia. Bisaya po ko. So, good morning. At may oras ko na alas 8 man guro karon. It's around 8 a.m. now in Sydney. So, I'm based in Sydney. So, someone asked me yaon sa daw, how did I process my application to get in and work here as a nurse in Australia. Especially na Filipino, tapos nag-work sa Middle East before kay there are loads of Filipinos in the Middle East working there. So, dali raman siya. I mean, in terms of masay mo dapat buhaton. Pero, medyo ano siya kanang more taas-taas ang journey o kaning expensive po siya. Pero, in terms of unsa man mo mabalik ba imong gibayad, mabalik man jud siya. So, duha ra na siya dapat imong i-asa imong kaugalingon.